Hi everybody, I wanted to show you a quick and easy way to find your Wi-Fi password. In case you forget it, you don't write it down, you need to find it because you want to connect something else to your Wi-Fi network. Really easy to do. You're going to use the Windows run command. So you press the Windows key plus R, and then you're going to type in ncpa.cpl. That means Network Control Panel Applet, and then just press OK. That's going to pop open a little window with your network connections. So look for the Wi-Fi connection. It says it here, Wi-Fi. And then you're going to want to right click on that, and on the status menu item, left click on that. That opens up another applet. You want to go into wireless properties. You can see here it shows you the SSID that you're connected to, so make sure that's the one you want to find the password for, how long you've been connected, and what your current speed is. There's also a signal speed indicator. Once you've got that open and everything looks correct, go to wireless properties and left click, and then at the top there's a second tab named security. Left click on that one. Again, this shows you security type, encryption type, and your network security key. That's your password. If you want to see that, there's a checkbox here to say show characters. So if you left click in this box, that will reveal your password. I'm not going to do that because I don't want you to see mine, but it's as easy as that. Anyway, I hope that helps, and if it does, please consider subscribing and maybe even hitting that notification bell so we see each other in the next video. Take care, everyone.